All right, I'm doing a video of this property. I am previewing it for a client. As soon as you walk in to the right, we have a nice little sitting area. That could be a den or an office with a couple doors. It does have plantation shutters, beautiful entrance. We have a dining room area. I think your table will fit there. Beautiful floors. Look at those. I love the view. Huge great room with an open kitchen. We're going to shoot over this way real quick. Tile on the floor in the bath. Nice full bath. We have carpet in the bedrooms. And again, they brought the plantation shutters all the way through. Nice big dollar item. That's a queen size. Plenty of room. I like the hardware on the doors. They have this as an office, but this could be a bedroom also. We'll hit outside on the way out. Oops, we almost forgot our room. We have another room here. Again, we have carpet. All the bedrooms are carpeted. This is a full-size bed. I'm going to spin around here real quick. Nice bath right here. Right off the pool. It does have a shower in it. Nice high ceilings, crown, all the fun stuff. Beautiful kitchen. Nice area to sit and eat. Laundry. Has a good sized garage. We're not going to show that in the video. And in the master, we do have wood floors in it. Plantation shutters again. That's a queen size bed, but it's plenty big enough for a king size. I like how they put that window up there. This is a Johnson Group home, so they do have the safe room for hurricanes, which is neat. Steel door. Here's the other side. Nice big closets. We've got tile in the bath, of course. Let's get over here. We got a nice shower. Vanity. Nice tub. Like a spa tub. Let's shoot outside real quick. Actually, I'll do that in another video. And I'll send you two.